It is 3:05 p.m. Thursday, July 14th, 2022. We're at the Hungarian State Railways MAV Budapest. We're at the Hungarian State Railways Budapest-Kelenfold, capital Kelenfold passenger station. This train just came in likely from Budapest Deli station, DELI. Looks like it's Regio Jet, could be an overnight sleeper train going to another country. Classified as an IC intercity train. European locomotive leasing, the electric locomotives say. Overnight sleeper trains are being restored right and left now between major European cities. Overnight sleeper trains are making a comeback due to carbon emissions emphasis. There were many people waiting to board this train, I'll tell you, on the station platform. Highball Kelenfold. Well, that was a coach, second class, second class, second class, second class. So it's a coach train, all second. It's not a sleeper train. Let's see if something else comes in here. They're coming in right and left every couple minutes. This was my ticket to get me from Budapest Deli station. 250 Hungarian forints, 400, about 400 Hungarian forints equal $1 US. I thought this guy sounded like he was getting ready to leave. Just some blower noise. And here comes one in from probably Budapest-Delhi station. Should be an EMU, electric mobile unit consist. Here comes one in headed toward Budapest-Delhi direction. Electric locomotive. Feels like it might be in the 90 degrees Fahrenheit today. Here goes the electric mobile unit consist departing Kelenfold, Budapest-Kelenfold. I'm departing the station tomorrow on an IC intercity train from here Kelenfold, Budapest-Kelenfold to Warsaw, Poland by way of Bratislava. Bratislava, Slovakia is on the itinerary tomorrow. I'll be coming through there. That's on the Danube, Bratislava. Like where I just went on the Viking cruise from Bucharest, Romania to Budapest, Hungary. Got off, disembarked yesterday morning here in Budapest. And it is 3:12 p.m. Thursday, July 12th, 2022. Hungarian State Railways, MAV, Budapest-Kelenfold Station, Hungary, over and out.